My name is Frans Atoy. I'm working for Brikor now for 19 years and I'm the acting general manager. In a business-wise, we as Brikor, we supply to a broad spectrum in the market. We've got the construction guys that are the biggest ones, and then also your retailers and your DIY, your bakkie builders that can and pay cash here.
In 1998, the company acquired 2 brick plants, one which we are standing at the moment and the one down the road, which was an old Cora brick factory. And it was a family-owned business up until 2007 when our late CEO decided to list the company on the AltX of the JSE. Formerly, we were renting in fleet equipment, which was quite costly, and then we also had a look at our existing fleet, which was aging, and the repairs and maintenance and operating costs became quite expensive. So it was absolute a yes for us to purchase our own new equipment.
This machine is for the first day I drive it, and then the machine is very comfortable, everything is right, and then we've got power.
When we looked at things like bucket size and the power of the machine and the speed of the machine, it fit the application perfectly. Our relationship with our suppliers is very important, as each of the suppliers is a stepping stone in the greater supply chain system. So we feel that no sector can be a success without the sector that needs to feed it.
I look forward to work with this machine.